Hi friends, what's up? This is our iPhone 360 reader. It's time to learn how to disable the red tint in the standby mode on iPhone. Standby is a new customizable lock screen mode in iOS 17 that activates when an iPhone is charging and positioned in the landscape orientation. If you charge your iPhone at night, Standby adapts to low light and takes on a red tone. At night, the standby mode will get darker if the room you are in is dark, and the display will adopt a red tint so that it is not distracting at night while you are sleeping. It is called the night mode, and it is similar to the nightstand mode on the Apple Watch since it functions in much the same way. However, if you would rather want to see the standby mode at its standard brightness level without the red tint, there is a quick way to turn it off. That said, let's get started. First and foremost, open the Settings app on your iPhone running iOS 17 or later. Then scroll down in the Settings menu and choose Standby. And finally turn off the toggle next to the night mode and you are good to go. And that's all there is to it. Next time you are in the dark environment and your iPhone enters the standby mode, it will not change its brightness or colors. Later, if you ever want to get back this feature, return to the same standby setting and then turn on the toggle next to night mode. And that's all there is to it. So that's how you can easily disable the red tint in the standby mode on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.